In this video, I will teach you how to add the Google Tag Manager code to HubSpot content. In order to do that, you first need to head over here into your HubSpot, and then onto this case, proceed to go over to the settings. This is the gear icon on the top right, so proceed to click on that, and we need to locate the tracking code into this page. So scroll down until you can find tracking code. Once you have clicked on this, you can see the analytics and tracking. So for this case, just copy the tracking code. Once you have copied that, head over right here to your Google Tag Manager. You just need to go over to your manager account and then copy the GTM container code, which is the both header and as well as the actual body snippets. So onto this case, you just need to add the actual code. It can be found right here on your tags. You can find it right here. Just click on this. Copy right here the codes that it will give us from this, and from there just paste the head snippet and the body snippet. Once you're done, just save the changes that you have made. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to sign up using our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.